Yesterday, I dreamt of a mystical island, far away from home. I saw myself stranded there, surrounded by impossible beauty. In my dream, I was the captain, an explorer that had conquered this uncharted island and become the master of my own destiny. Today, as I woke up, I realized my dream wasn't a dream at all. A breeze invaded my room, revealing an all-familiar ocean, and beyond that, the skyline of Dubai. Beneath my feet, under the rocks and grass of my precious island, the very sea that bathes la-mer. Tomorrow, I'll dream once more of adventures and treasures on an island where every wish comes true. But this time, my eyes will be wide open to see all the wonders that await me at Port-delamer.